Sosna is really the contractor you can count on. The renovation is a stressful process, and in our case, we had some bad experiences in the past, and selection process was important for us, selecting the right contractor. We have a 100-year-old house that we needed to renovate. No one was signing up for that, especially to keep it within the budget and the timeline we needed. Satna really made the process stressless and helped us to go through the Reno without pain, and they were able to complete design on time. They faced various challenges and always kept us informed and up to date on the progress. Any surprises were communicated right away, and we knew how, with their support, how to deal with those. It was really amazing process. Andre and his team did a great job. I would definitely recommend them to my close friends and family, and my family really loves the Reno.
I love my brand new house that was old, but now it's brand new, and I can't wait to move into my new house. Thank you, Sasna.
Thank you, Sasna.